In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip emotes in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about unlocking emotes and how you can equip them. You will notice that I am doing this process on a private server that I have, but this is only for convenience and because I like recording here. This is going to work for any server that you join. So first, if you open the shop, the first thing that you will see are going to be the emotes. So this is going to be the primary way of acquiring emotes. As you can see, you can purchase it for 250 bucks off in-game currency, or alternatively 25 Robux if you have some on your account. Immediately upon choosing this, you will get a random emote. And afterwards, there is going to be a new tab available here for you titled Emotes. All that you have to do now is click the specific emote that you would like to equip, and you will be able to set it on your character. So it's as simple as buying the emote, and afterwards go over to your bag here and the emote is going to be available. You will notice that for me, no emotes are available because I don't have any on this account, but if you do, they will be listed here right underneath the search function. Then you can click on a specific emote after you select which hotbar you would like to equip it into. And afterwards, you can use a specific keybind to use your emotes. On PC, it is going to be B. So as soon as you press B on your keyboard, this wheel is going to appear and you can choose any of the emotes. So let's summarize it all. To acquire emotes, go over to the shop and choose to purchase them, either using in-game currency, aka cash, or Robux. After you acquire one of the random emotes, keep in mind that this is always random, you will be able to switch over to this little icon here, which should be a backpack, and you can find the emotes that you have available on your character. Click the specific slot which you would like to attribute an emote to, and then select any of the emotes from the list. Once you do, you can go back inside of the game and press B on your PC to open up the emote wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip emotes in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.